Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your text bolder for Cricut. So as you can see there, this font is what it looks like before I've made it bolder. So to make it bolder we need a application called Inkscape. So I've just opened that up on my laptop. So just zoom in. And then we're going to add our text and then you're going to choose the font that you want to have. So I'm just picking one called Generating Script. So this is particularly good if you're making a cake topper or something like that and you like the script writing but you just really want it a little bit thicker so that when you cut it out on the cardboard it's going to actually cut properly. Okay, so here I've just added that and just making it much bigger. So just sort of move it around. It doesn't really matter too much where you're positioning it at this stage. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is go up to Path and we're going to click on Union. This is the first step. You need to do this one. And then we go to Object and Ungroup. So then we're able to move around each individual letter. So that'll really help if you're making like a cake topper or something and need the letters to touch. Then we're going to go back to Path and click on Union. And next, really simple, you're just going to click on Outset. So as you can see straight away, that actually makes the font much bolder already. So if you want it more bolder than that, you just keep clicking on Outset. But eventually it will get a bit too bold and sometimes inside the E's and A's and etc. that will get a bit too bold. So you'll need to sort of go back and undo that. So that's all done. So now I'm just saving my file as an SVG file, an Inkscape SVG. You don't need to go to other formats. You can if you want, but I think it's just safe to just leave it at Inkscape SVG. So next, open up Cricut again. So you're going to go to Upload and Upload Image, and then you're going to browse for your SVG file. So there you can see I've found it, and then just going to upload that. Okay, and then now we're going to go Insert Image. So that's going to go straight into our canvas. And now we can adjust that however we want. So I'm just adjusting there. So that's much thicker now. So I'm going to actually show you the difference between what the font looks like without having an outset and what it looks like with an outset. So you can actually see how much bolder it actually is. If this tutorial has helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below.